What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Got another short ride and review. Going to a place called OMAR'S Kitchen. It's right over here in the Lower East Side. My wife and I have walked by this place a bunch of times, and it looks like a good vibe. It's a Caribbean and Jamaican restaurant. Reminds me a lot of a smaller version of Miss Lily's on 7th and A. If you haven't been there, that's a great spot. Check it out. They used to do this thing there called jerk chicken ramen. They basically created a ramen, a Jamaican inspired ramen. It was awesome. I hope they bring that back. It was kind of like limited run for a short amount of time. But this place looks similar to that, just a little smaller. It's really just like a bar, a couple of seats inside, and then, all right, we're good. And then some outdoor seating. It's right over on, oh, it's loud. Oh, wait till that train passes. Yeah, it's right over on, I guess it's like Stanton and Clinton Street. So I'm just gonna turn up this. This is Pitt. Meeting the cake dealer here. There's a couple of things I definitely want to try on the menu. Everything looks good. A friend of mine from growing up, hey, what's up? Someone called out for the zoos. A friend of mine growing up, he's Jamaican. So he's heard about this place. And in his words, he heard great things. So it bodes well. So what's this here? Is Clinton? Yeah, this is my turn right here. Passing Joey Rose's just now. Great sandwiches there. All right. Crazies are out. Let's see what's coming up here. Stanton. This street gets pretty busy because the bridge traffic funnels right onto it. But there is a bike lane, which is cool. Oh, there it is. All right. See that outdoor seating right there, OMAR'S Kitchen. You see the green flashing. This is it. I'll see you guys on the inside. What was yours called? Wings are gonna destroy us. Scorpion pepper wings. Hibiscus lamb chops. Very pretty. Now, coconut curry oxtail. Red beans and rice, salad. I feel like when they have this hot sauce, you know the food's gonna be good. OMAR'S Kitchen, what a meal. That was really good, man. We started off with 2 appetizers. One was like a salt fish hush puppies, and those are really light and airy, fluffy, a lot of flavor, great fry on them. And then we also did these scorpion pepper wings. Man, I thought they were gonna blow me out in terms of like spiciness and, you know, real hot habanero, but they were really nicely balanced. The wing sauce on that is like a little bit of sweet and a little bit of heat. It was just really nicely made. And the meat was like fall off the bone tender. almost like they had been stewed. It was incredible. So the only negative about this place is that the entrees came out at the same time as the apps. So we got our entrees like a minute after the apps hit the table, and the 2 entrees we got were coconut curry oxtail with dumplings. That was incredible. That was just a complex flavor, awesome quality oxtail, beef meat, falling off the bone tender, just like them chicken wings. And the dumplings were like almost like a Korean rice cake, but a little less gummy and chewy. They were just delicious. And then both entrees came with like a dirty rice, red rice and beans, nicely cooked, a lot of flavor. The other entree we got were the hibiscus sorrel lamb chops. Those were beautiful. That sauce was like a bright pink. It was really pretty, and a lot of earthy flavors on them. Earthy flavors, kind of like Indian spices meets Caribbean brightness. A little bit of heat, really nice. Also great cocktails at this place. We did I think I did a Scotch bonnet margarita. It was great. Everything's really nicely balanced between the heat and the sweet and the spice and the freshness. So I'm definitely gonna go back here again. I want to try so many more things from the menu. So this is really just a short ride and review, I guess like a first test run of this place. Only other negative thing I can think of is that the music was really loud. But we were outside, so it didn't really bother us, so that's good. But thanks for watching, and as usual, make sure you like and subscribe. You gotta tell your friends. You gotta tell your fucking grandma. Tell her about these things.